Question number second, E part. Use the number line and add the following integers: -1 plus -2 plus -3. So we can write it -1 -2 -3 equal to -6. So draw number line and represent these numbers on the number line: 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now -1, represent the -1, this, and -2, 1, 2, and -3, 1, 2, and -3. So this is the representation on the number line. Now question number 3, add without using number line. Add without using number line. Question number 3, exercise 6.2. Question number 3 का ये पार्ट, add without using number line. Without using number line. A part, 11 plus -7. We can write it 11 plus minus 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Now B part, -13 plus का 18 equal to -13 plus 18. Here we observe that 13 is negative and 18 is positive. Minus plus minus, 18 minus 13, 5. Which sign will come? 18 is positive number. 18 is greater than 13 and it is positive number. So sign will positive, and positive sign will not be marked. Only negative sign will be marked with the number. Now E part, -380 plus -270. Minus का 380 plus -270. We can solve. Minus का 380 plus minus का 270. Minus plus, but sign will minus. 0, 8 or 7, 15, carry 1, 1 or 2, 3, 3 or 3, 6. -650. And F part, -270 plus minus का 100. Now -270 plus minus का 100. Minus plus sign minus, 270 and 100, 370. So this is the answer. Now question number 4, find the sum of without using number line. Find the sum without using number line. Question number 4, find the sum of A part, 137 and -354. We have to find the sum of both the numbers. So add the number 137 plus sum is plus minus 354. Now 137 plus minus minus 354 plus minus minus sign will negative. Negative value is greater than the positive value, so negative sign will come and subtract 137 from 354. 4 minus 7 7, 4 minus 3 1, and with 2 minus 1 170 minus 170. This is the answer. Now C part is minus 312 over 39 and 192. We have to find the sum of these numbers equal to minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. We can solve minus 312 plus 39 and 192. Both are positive, so we will add the both number. 219 11 carry 1, 109 10 carry 3 30 carry 1 101 231. Now we see that 312 is negative and 231 is positive. So minus plus minus sign will come negative. 312 minus 231. 2 minus 1 1. 11 में से 3 है 8 and 2 minus 2 1 is minus 81. This is the answer. Now D part minus 50 minus 200 and 300. Sum, find the sum. Minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. Minus we can write it minus 50 minus 200 plus 300. Minus 50 minus 200 minus का minus minus plus sign minus 50 and 200 250 plus 300. 250 is negative and 300 is positive. So plus minus minus 300 minus 250 equal to 50. Sign is positive. So we have no need to write the positive sign. So 50 is the answer. Now question number 5, A part. Question number 5, A part. Find the sum. Find the sum. Minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. We have to find the sum. Minus 7 plus minus 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 9 plus 4 plus 16. Now minus 7 and minus 9 both are negative number. So minus minus plus and sign is negative. 7 or 9 16 plus 16 plus 4 20. 16 is negative and 20 is positive. Minus plus minus 20 minus 16 4. Sign is positive. 20 is greater than 16. So sign of 20 is positive. So 4 is the answer. Now B part is 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 5. Find the sum. Sum equal to 37 plus minus minus 2 plus minus minus 65 plus minus minus 8. Now we observe that 37 is positive and the next three numbers are negative. So we will add these numbers. So 37 minus minus plus, sign is negative. 2 and 5 7, 7 or 8 15, carry 1, 1 or 6 7. 37 minus 75. Now this is positive number and this is negative number. Plus minus minus 15, 15 minus 7 8, 6 minus 3 3, and sign is negative because 75 is greater than 37 and 75 is negative, so sign will come the negative. So minus 38 is the answer. So exercise 6.2 is complete. Now exercise 6.3, subtraction of the integer with the help of number line. Subtraction of integer with the help of number line. How can we subtract on the number line? And exercise 6.3. Yes. Question number first. Find a part 35 minus 20. 35 minus 20. So we can write it 35 minus 20. 35 minus 20 equal to 15. 15 is the answer. C part minus the 15 minus minus 18. Minus the 15 minus minus 18. Minus 15 minus minus plus 18. 15 is negative and 18 is positive. So 18 minus 15 plus minus minus 18 minus 15 3, and 3 will be the positive because 18 is the greater number. So 18, sign of 18 is plus, so sign will become positive 3. So this is the answer. Now E part 23 minus minus 12. 23 minus minus 12. 23 minus minus 12 means 23 minus minus plus 12. 3 plus 2 5 and 2 and 1 3. So 35 is the answer. C means F part minus the 32 minus minus 40. Now minus the 32 minus minus plus 40 minus plus 32 is negative and 40 is positive. So minus plus minus 40 minus 32 8. Sign will positive. 8 is the answer. It is clear all of you? Okay.